What's up, you guys? It's your girl Key. Welcome back to my channel. Now today is like a holiday vlog style. This is my gorgeous son Eli. Me and Eli are going to the LuminoCity Festival. It's a holiday festival that comes to Virginia, so we are going to go to the festival and we wanted to bring you guys with us. It's a big lights, gorgeous festival that you can take your family, you can take a date, you can take whoever. My date is, of course, E. E is my date, so we wanted to bring you guys with us to the festival. So make sure you guys subscribe to this channel, like this video for more like it, comment down below, and also follow your girl on Instagram. That never changes. Follow me there, and I'll see you guys at the festival. Come on.
Bye.
Okay, we're in the festival. It's so beautiful.
It's also cold.
It's very cold outside, so we are going to show you guys everything here. It's so pretty.
Yes.
Let's go see some animals. Are there animals over here?
Is that a raccoon?
It's something.
What is that? Is that a raccoon?
I don't know what that is.
What animal is that? Some type of mutated.
I don't know what kind of animal that is. It's dark and I can't see it. I don't have my glasses on.
You don't wear glasses. What is it called?
I do.
It looks
Oh,
like a raccoon panda.
it says it's an African civet.
Oh,
Okay. That's my homie from Africa. I know.
he ain't used to this weather.
That's why he pacing. He not used to this. He African.
Take
Why
him
did
back. Free my boy.
Free my homeboy. It's so pretty. Eli said they're enslaving the animals.
I know he ain't want to be there. That's sad.
Dang, free my homeboy till he out free. See you later.
I'll make sure to bring you a present.
I know he cold.
I'm cold.
I'll buy you a coat.
I know my homeboy cold.
Yeah, bro, he ain't even wearing anything. I know he's cold under that fur. Nice.
Oh, Eli, we could get your picture taken in that thing. Hold on. Look at Eli in this beautiful hot air balloon. Oh, we going to Africa? All right, free my boy. He making noise. Eli, get close. Get close to me.
Trampled us.
It's so cool. Let me get close. Look at it. It moves. This is my homeboy. We go all the way back.
Yeah.
I know. It's Jurassic Park up in here.
What type of dinosaur is that?
A dinosaur that would have been beating on us.
No, I would have kicked that motherfucker.
Oh, please.
I ain't gonna let it get my daddy.
Nah, you would have let him get it that day.
No, I wouldn't.
Next day I'll be dead.
He have you in his mouth like that. T-Rex right there.
Bro, there's something on the T-Rex's back.
Oh, it's that
Oh, yeah.
little joint.
Them little joints, they be on your back.
Yeah.
The spider. The spider.
But then you need to put the hoodie on your head, please. Cause I still hear it.
Oh my God. This is so cool. Hey fam. Hey y'all.
Why you look like we on the camera?
We are on the camera.
We're like a security camera.
Oh. Shoot.
Yeah,
We
look.
probably stealing.
Yeah, we about to steal this place.
We stealing. Congratulations, my baby. Oh, there's an owl lights. How you like it so far, E?
I love it. I just saw a kangaroo.
I love it too. Let's see.
I want to see what it looks like. It's a kangaroo walkabout.
Well, it's locked, so.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to go over there. What, you want me to get jumped by a whole mom and a
It's locked. We couldn't see though. He over there.
Yeah, I know. I saw him jumping with his baby.
I wonder how if they probably have like a warm thingy over there. I hope so. An Asian exhibit.
Asian exhibit?
A candy land. Wow.
You see the monkey?
He's in there.
You see the monkey? What's in there?
Oh, wow.
He's sleeping.
Is there a monkey in there?
Yeah, he's sleeping.
Where? I know.
I could see a dark one.
Eli, you don't see anything. You like to lie.
I'm not lying. I see
Why you always lying?
Man, what up?
Why you always lying? Oh, oh my God.
I saw some out.
Stop lying.
I can't believe I can't.
Look at her, she code because she thought her car was a coat. Oh. She thought her car was a coat. Sleigh bells ring a ding ding. Do. Come here, E. You want to get in the sleigh with me? Whoa, look how beautiful that is. Eli's in a bad mood because I didn't let him see the photos. But,
And you always change when you make a YouTube video.
yup, I changed from being gangster ready to beat you up to being nice. Anyway, he's in a mood. I'm gonna headbutt him like a ram. Get out of here. You almost made me fall.
That's why you got sand on.
On my bike?
No,
Where?
on you.
Ooh, what's that smell?
Because I put it on.
Ew, Eli, why you ain't bathed? What's that smell? Ew.
Ew, did you pee your pants again?
Did you pee your pants again?
Did you pee?
Well, we got hot chocolate, and this is the end of the vlog. La 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 la. Did everybody have a good time? You enjoyed the lights? It was really nice. So if you guys are in the area, make sure you check out the LuminoCity Festival because it's so beautiful. So many lights. So make sure you guys come through. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.